Hi, I'm Jeff Hirsch. I'm here with Carley Garner, of Senior Strategist at dcarleytrading.com. Combination of your partner's name and yours.
Correct.
And what do you guys do at
Well, we're a futures and options brokerage service, so we offer everything from full service to discount online. Where we differ from most other brokerage services is we don't just give our traders a platform and tell them to go on their own and figure it out.
Some guidance, perhaps?
We give them guidance, trading guidance, we give them tutorials, we give them research, those types of things. Like, we don't want to just, again, we're not just giving them a platform and letting them go at it. We're trying to
pay
keep
for the platform, but it's filled with research and tools.
Exactly. And I mean, I've been a broker since 2004, so I've seen a lot, good, bad, ugly. And so the goal is I want to take that experience and extend it to my clients and hopefully keep them out of trouble.
Seasonality is something you track.
Absolutely.
Big fan of seasonality.
Yep.
You're all commodity, currency, and futures seasonality.
Correct.
So what are some of the big seasonalities, the real juicy ones people can take advantage of?
The thing about seasonality is it's, especially in commodities, when you're talking about agricultural cycles, that's the big one that we like to look at, because it's something that all seasonalities recur yearly, but the grains is a story that everybody's aware of.
It's really impacted by the seasons.
Exactly. And I mean, take weather out of it and that sort of thing, but there's obviously supply, a lot more supply at certain times of the year and less at others, and so there's no guarantees obviously in seasonality, but it's a great idea to know the backdrop.
The ag complex is the one where you find the most
I think so.
effective seasonality.
Especially in this particular year, because grains are kind of depressed. I think they're on the cheap side, and so there's a lot more upside potential than there is downside risk, in my opinion, and so that makes the seasonality that more attractive.
If I'm not mistaken, grains usually low in the winter and then start to pick up in the spring through harvest time. Does that still play?
Yep, it is. It's a little tricky. It takes some patience, because you never know if the grain complex is going to bottom out October around the harvest lows, or is it going to be in December? It's kind of, but if you have some patience and you can stick with it and you put a strategy together, maybe using futures and options where you can withstand a little drawdown during the winter, you should be there when it happens.
Just in closing, right now, winter of 2018, grains look pretty cheap.
In my opinion, yes, I think they're cheap in the long run. Yeah.
Thank you, Carley.
You're welcome.
Thanks, everyone.